stay there. So weightlifting doesn't have to be complicated. It can start by trying it at home, and you can also just use very light weights, like these are 3-pound weights at home. What you want to do is get a series of exercises where you're doing reverse fly, bending the knees, and you're just drawing shoulders back. Okay, just think about all the exercises that we do. We're going to do bicep curls, right? We're going to bend the elbows and bring the arms out in this 90-degree angle. 3, 2, 1. We want to do lateral raises. 2, 1, and then front raises. 3, 2, 1. You could also do tricep extensions. 1, 2, 3, and then we could bring it back here and hinge at the hips and press the arms back. 1, 2, 3, and then you could also bend the triceps. 1, 2, 3. Last but not least, we could reach up. 1, 2, 3, and our row could look like 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if you do a quick series of that, even while you're like brewing your coffee, or just empty the dishwasher, you put the coffee pot on, whatever you do in the morning, just try to get 5-10 minutes of your day and do a quick weightlifting routine. I'm telling you, it's really worth it. You're gonna build muscle, fight that loss of muscle mass as we all get older. I mean, don't feel bad. It does start when you're 30. You start to lose muscle mass as we age over time. So anyway, good luck with the weightlifting. This obviously is just a very quick, basic demonstration of that. But again, it would be reverse fly, right? 1, 2, 3. It would be bicep curl, right? It would be shoulders, 2, 3, and I forget what order I did last time. I did lateral raise, 2, 3, and then front raise, 1, 2, 3, and then of course our row, 1, 2, 3, and we could do triceps here, 1, 2, 3. We can pump those straight arms back. That's a lot harder. And then we could do our overhead shoulder press. 1, 2, 3. All right, give it a go. Let me know how you feel, and I'd love to hear from you. Thank you for reading, thank you for watching, and have a great day.